Which one of my relatives can get Social Security disability benefits based on my Social Security disability claim? Well, congratulations on getting your Social Security disability benefits. You're going to be paid a monthly Social Security disability benefit based on your work history and the amount of your contributions to the Social Security disability system. Social Security disability benefits may also be payable to qualifying family members. They get their own monthly benefits if you're awarded Social Security disability benefits. Each qualifying member can get up to 50% of the amount of your disability benefits. However, there are caps. The total payment made to the whole family generally can't be more than 150% of the disabled person's monthly Social Security benefits. So who qualifies? Possible qualifying family members can include a spouse of age 62 or older, a spouse of any age who's taking care of a child who's disabled and under the age of 16, an unmarried child 18 or older who has qualifying disability benefits that began before age 22. And you might be surprised to learn that an ex-spouse might be entitled to collect on your Social Security benefits. So what about that ex-spouse? They may be eligible based on your disability claim. But the good news is that there are some limits. Any payment to the ex-spouse won't have an impact on your benefits, and the ex-spouse has to have been married to you for at least 10 years, not currently be married, and be at least age 62. That's the good news. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, contact me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.